Okay, let's look at some real chart examples on support and resistance. So this is a 5-minute S&P, but you could look at anything. It applies to every time frame and every instrument. Now the first thing to do is to condense up the chart so we can actually see these levels. Okay, let's get the line drawing tool, and I'm going to mark in a few levels. So we've got one here, we've got one here, another one here, and you'll see that it doesn't have to be exact. We're just looking for price to pivot on either side, and this can actually be extended all the way to here. So what happened is price used this line of support, it finally broke through, retested as resistance, broke through here. This was actually support here, retested as resistance before breaking above, retested here as resistance, came back down and found that as support. We came here, found support here before breaking through, acted as resistance, came down, finally broke through, and you can see that there's another level here. So let's get the line drawing tool and put one across here. So price found resistance, came down, found resistance again, came down, finally broke up, hit this resistance level, tested here as support, and it goes on. But that's the general idea. Now what I'll also do is condense this up even more, and we can see there's even bigger levels that would be visible on a higher time frame. So I'm going to put a level here, make that a different color, and you can see that price was underneath as resistance, finally broke above, and then retested as support. If we move along, it was tested as support here, then that level became insignificant and we broke through. Now this is also, we've discussed this before, these are also pivot zones, so price pivoted either side of these levels. So you can see it was above, then it was below, below, above, above, and below. Now one method that might help you to find support and resistance levels is to box areas of price action in. So we can see over here there's an area where price hung around, and what I can do is draw a box like this. Then again there's an area over here, have another area over here, and this might help you find where price pivots either side of a support and resistance level. Another box there. So it's actually a good example to do is just to try boxing in these areas on a chart like this. Anyway, I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next session.